being here in USA, I heard that there's another president there called K. Who's K? Who's K? Who's K? He's only eat one way, eat one way. I heard that you were trying to revive to try to beat me. No, come back, never. You were trying to be relevant talking about Lobola. What Lobola, man? We don't know that yet. We don't know yet then. What?
Ayi isaphumile ipresident yamabhinca isashaya umoya ngapha America. While are you guys busy stressing about South African government there with the allegations that have been made by Ubaba Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi? Well, Ngizwi Mchunu decided to hit the street of America. Safunana nobhuti bathi ungu-K kahle kahle. Lo bhuti lo ufuna ukuzenza uNgizwi Mchunu, ufuna ukuthathela uNgizwi Mchunu isikhundla sakhe sobupresident. So ubani u-K lo kadla kangaka? Bathi it's just eat. Okay, bafowethu, this is just a fun video. I hope you have a great weekend. Thank you very much for subscribing to Ghetto Fame TV Network. Enjoy. Ghetto Fame TV channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ghetto Fame TV, to see our shows, news, events, podcast, advertising, interviews. Ghetto Fame TV channel, from Kasi to the world.